candles are on. I even have this that I also got from my mom. Oh, you know, I always have a like, what should I call it? Like I've inherited it. Okay, I'm going for all the candles today. 5 hours later, my battery is flicking. Oh man. Okay, I found the book. I couldn't find it. Well, I guess that I'm just going to change the battery. Before I change the battery, look people, she's alive. She's growing. There's 2 of them, plus something here. We are back with a brand new battery. Yes, now we can continue. She is really growing up. She's becoming strong, like we are. I had actually lost all hope for her. But she's up. She's up running. Do anyone know, like, how often is it, like, good to repot her? Let me know in the comment if anyone knows. If you want to see how I repotted her, apparently it's a her, and what I put in it, because I put something in the soil, then click up here. But today, as I said, we're going to look into this. I have my magical coffee cup that I got from Kiri. I'm also going to put that video up here if you haven't seen it. Yes, we have candles, we have everything. We have a raven up there now. I really want to have some frames at some point. We have tarot cards, we have everything. We have this one. Moon is sleeping in the other room. And it's actually a little bit mind-blowing because I took this from the shelf, and the moment that I took it, I physically saw, like, it was so strange because it was like a lighter orb, but it was like this. It was thick and it was round and long, and it just went up straight. And then I did this, and then on the white wall in there, I saw like rainbow colors appear. It was pretty fascinating, which, you know, I feel like it is a sign for me because of what I'm going through at the moment with you will know if you have seen the video that I posted earlier. Yeah. So I thought that I wanted to give you guys a little this for us to relax. See if we can get it to work. So close your eyes and tune into your heart chakra. It was so funny. That really almost made me laugh. I heard someone, but it was like a child. It sounded like a child. It was like, look outside, look outside, look. It was someone was very eager. It sounded like a child. I was like, what? Why are the candles going so much crazy right now? And I see the sparkles around me now. No. Now, Whoa, that opened up for something. What did you guys feel? Did you see something? I heard something. No, I can't get it to do it. Ease into it, I heard. I don't know why, but I saw like a lot of, it was so crazy, strange, because I saw a lot of white feathers like flowing up from it, like, got a visual like that. What was that? And the candles are going absolutely crazy. I heard she would say, it's the energy shift. I don't know why I heard someone say it made someone giggly. There was like a smoke thing. There was like the thing again. I saw the thing again. What is happening? Gonna put it away now. Well, shit. Okay. Yeah. Well, that was very fascinating. Well, me and the Raven are ready for the lesson. I don't know why I keep drinking it, because it's cold. From what I remember, we are... oh yeah, open your third eye. I had a feeling that we were on something very important. I think this candle made a sound. Okay, I know you guys can't see everything, but your chakras open and close. They interact with the energy that moves around them. It's a bit interesting that I chose to do this singing ball, because that I know that the energy from that helps move the chakras, open up for the chakras. So maybe that's something that you guys needed for, you know, your third eye, to activate something. Maybe that's also why I saw the feathers in the ball, or that someone was like, look outside, look outside. He was very eager, and yeah. Maybe it's a message for one of you guys, like, look outside. Who knows? Okay, I don't know where to put this camera. They are amazing spaces that naturally move with you and your flow in life. When it comes to the third eye, you can choose when to open it and when to close it. This freedom gives you the space to relax your mind and focus it when you need to. I just got a feeling to share something with you guys that I actually wanted to talk about yesterday, but I forgot it. But like I spoke about in the other video that I made today, I will link it up here for people who haven't seen it. We are moving into a new energy, also with Age of Aquarius. I also made a video about that, where we open up for the new age. We open up for a new ability or new abilities, a new way of accepting life, living life. Thought that I heard something move. And some days ago, something strange happened here. And I feel like it's me opening up for a new ability or a new way of hearing spirits or angels or the other realms or something like that. Because when I do channeling and when I work with my spirit guides or people that you guys know who passed over, it's hard to explain this. And people who do the same work as I do, you know what I mean when I say that when we hear our voices, we hear it in our mind. Sometimes there is a scent of another person's voice or accents, but I have more experienced it as hearing it as my own thoughts in a way. But some days ago, I had just cuddled with the moon. And when I wanted to walk away again, I heard my mom's voice. And my mom passed away the 8th of November. Yeah. January this year, so it's very, very new. And I heard her voice say, Moon. And it was so clear that it was her voice. And it felt like it was in the room. But it was like if someone speaks but you turn down the volume. That's how I heard it. It was crazy. I almost get emotional thinking about it. But that was so powerful because like I said, normally when I do channeling, I, most of the time hear it with my, with my own voice or with my own mind or whatever you call this. So after I heard it, I had a feeling that it's a part of a new ability. And Amanda actually pointed out something after my mom died, that my mom is helping me in a new way with my abilities, because as I have spoken about, my mom was very spiritual, and she, could speak, like, I don't know how to explain it, but people who passed over could speak through her. It was very fascinating, and she did it when I was very, very young, so I can't remember that much of it. There's one episode I remember where my brothers and one of my brothers, my brother's wife, she was also there, and she just lost, I don't know if it was her grandfather or something like that. That was something. And her grandfather tapped into my mom, and they could ask her questions, and she answered the questions. Like, it was mind-blowing, but I don't remember that part. But I remember that I was, running around under the table all the time. I was, like, when are you guys done? Because I wasn't really into it back then. So, and as I also said, I had an experience when I was a child that freaked me out so much, because I woke up and I saw a white, tall person, angel, whatever it was, but there was also a dog. I remember that. And I remember that I wanted to scream and call for my mom, but my voice couldn't, get out. And after that time, I closed down for it. So, yeah, it took me a while to open up for this gift, and I feel this experience is a part of me opening up for this new ability. And I feel that's something that you guys do as well. So maybe it is something that's connected with opening up for your third eye, which makes sense because it's our pineal gland, is where our pineal gland is. And when our pineal gland is calcified because of sadness or your environment or people or what we eat, or there's a lot of things that goes into that. I have made a video I will link up here. There's a part 1 and a part 2 where I speak about the pineal gland. But when it is calcified, which I feel that like society has been very good at calcifying our pineal gland, because that when we are too open and we see the world through truthful eyes, I heard, then we see the truth. obviously that's something that comes out in the world around. We realize things, also the things with aliens. I just made a post with on my Facebook page actually, that there has been like a UFO sighting in Los Angeles, which is very interesting. But there's a lot of things like that. I just had taps in my hair. Stop. But yeah, just wanted to mention that. Yeah. When the third eye is open, all of the spiritual energy in your spinal column moves upward and meets there, giving you spiritual strength and the energy to see beyond. When you open up your third eye, it's like putting on clairvoyant sunglasses. I highly recommend taking time to sit in your spiritual practice. Sensation on my I think I have someone's father, a grandfather here. It might be a father because it was a male hand, but I heard someone say I have a message from my daughter. Something whoa. Oh, that's interesting. He did mention something about his pocket, and I actually had someone write a mail to me about I think it was a father passing over, something about a stone in his pocket. Obviously this can also, because this is how the spiritual world works, this can also be a message for someone else, because I do feel that it's more than one energy, because I felt that, but I also felt someone say, or someone directly speaking into the camera, hoping that someone would hear it and understand what he had to say, because I heard someone say, please don't give up on your abilities, please keep working with it, because you're doing a good job. And he explained something. It's like, if in the back in the days when he did this, if you do this, the light is shining, but if you stop, the light bulb is not working. He showed me that. So I think it's a message for someone not to give up on your psychic abilities, because if you stop, if you don't believe in it, the light in the light bulb goes out. If you want to see the evidence, then you have to keep going. He's very proud, I heard. Someone is very proud. Oh man. I heard someone say, oh, what is this video turning into? I'm just trying my makeup. Sorry people. But I heard someone say, we appreciate what you do for our loved ones, like to me. That I have to be aware of how much I do for you guys. I was not supposed to cry doing this. What the hell? Well, okay then. I heard someone say it's okay. I don't know why someone mentioned something about a winter coat, a winter jacket, or a rain jacket, something like that. That just, yeah. But someone was like, us on the other side appreciate what you do for our loved ones. Okay, I will try to continue. Okay, I can't remember what we came to now. I highly recommend taking time to sit in your spiritual practice and open your third eye, because it allows you to get used to the energy of that chakra. Someone said I have tried to explain that to her. Someone tried to explain that to you. Many people, especially if they have been encouraged to stay quiet about their visions and dreams, find this exercise and liberating and emotional. I feel like something is happening. Either it's something that's happening where you are. I keep seeing those long orbs. Or if someone is trying to speak through me, or I don't know. I don't know. Well, I haven't tried that before. My mom always did that, but and I feel totally warm on my side now. What is happening? And someone say it's uncomfortable in the beginning. I had someone, well, it's weird because someone was like, if you feel lost or if you want to try to get ideas or aha moments, put your feet in the water or take a shower and then make it cold for a second. I don't know why that came up. Well, I'm gonna try to continue. Okay. Many people, especially if they have been encouraged to stay quiet about their vision and dreams. What the hell? I feel like someone was pushing me to the side, either to show something or because that they wanted to be in the spotlight. Okay. Find this exercise liberating and emotional. There is a sense of freedom because you are actualizing a deeper aspect of yourself and recognizing something that may have been long forgotten. The emotions come because you are releasing old fears, traumas that have been pushing into the space. It's very hard to try to read and then hearing things at the same time, because someone is pointing out something that someone out there watching is holding in your hand, or that you are playing with. This can be a coffee mug, this can be a crystal, this can be a necklace, a bracelet, a ring, something. That is just something. When I began to exercise my third eye and give it the permission it required to open up and express itself fully, I had experienced that. Okay, something else I need to explain. Someone said, if you wait for me or if you want to see me, don't expect me to come as the person you know. Expect me to come as a light or orb. Yeah. Apparently it's not so much about me reading from the book today. Whoa. Someone said we have the wrong picture of people dying. We have the wrong image. If people die, they're never gone. We know that. Which makes sense. But there's no pain, which is interesting because that's how my mom showed it. There's no pain, there's no fear, there's no hard feelings anymore. I talked about that in the video I made about my mother. Yeah. If I have, I will link it up here if I haven't already. But someone's like, you have the wrong picture, or you have the wrong image when it comes to that. I just thought that someone was here. It felt like an older lady. An older lady who recently passed over, I feel. A grandmother. I don't know if it's her, but I heard someone say you did everything right for the funeral. So someone might have been like, yeah, like you didn't find any testament, or you didn't find anything like how this person wanted to be buried or cremated or what you call that. So maybe the family was a little like, how should we do this? Is it right? Is that what she wanted? Or he wanted? I don't know if it's male or female. But you did everything right. Everything was perfect. And someone loved the flowers, especially, I don't know if it's lilies or yellow, because I heard lilies, but I also heard someone say yellow. Orange. Orange mixed with something. And I heard someone say, I felt your hand. I don't know why, but my hand got totally warm. Maybe someone held someone's hand. Is it mixed together with, or is it connected with a picture maybe? There's something about a tea set. I want you to have the tea set. Or I wanted you to have the tea set. Why is there so much happening right now? Okay. I just want to say thank you, dear. Well, you're very welcome. Now I lost it again. Where did we come to? When I began to exercise my third eye and give it permission, and give it the permission it required. Someone made me look up and I saw 1111 and I heard a bird walking on the roof, the plastic roof out here. Someone said, look, the sun is shining. Yeah. Yeah. The days are becoming lighter. 11:33. Your body feels lighter. Someone said your body feels lighter. Okay, we start over. When I began to exercise my third eye and give it the permission it required to open up and express itself fully, I had experiences that were both transcendental and emotional. Yeah. During my meditations, I had visions of angels, saints, and ascended masters. I also saw fear and trauma leave my body. Makes sense with why someone said you feel light. It's because the fear is leaving our body. And someone pointed me out to the ringing ball, the singing ball, that when I did this, fear left your body. Maybe some of you guys even felt it. Maybe you saw black smoke, or maybe you will do it after you have taken a shower. Okay, not what I wanted to say, but yeah. One particular memory was seeing all of my school teachers pointing at me. When I went into my dream state in class, the teachers would shout at me, telling me to concentrate. When they did this, they would point directly at the space between my brows, and it would feel as if they were physically hurting me. To this day, I tell people never to point at me. Whoa. I believe the energy in anger can be felt and held. I had synchronization through my foot, especially by the intuitive chakras. Which I actually feel that's right. It's very threatening if people point at you. I know I do it, but it's more like, you know. But if people really like point at you, it has some kind of intense feeling. If it's like in real. Am I the only one feeling that way? I believe the energy... Okay. I was finally able to release the energy of my school experience through deep meditation. There might be old memories of fear hidden in your third eye chakra, and this is all the more reason to open it. The memories contained in it could be standing between you and your capacity to see and interact with heavenly love. Heavenly love. Heavenly love. I heard the bird again. Yeah. So today choose to set some time aside to work on opening and clearing your third eye. So I feel that is what a lot of us are doing today, especially me. All of us. And I mean, wow, today we have gotten intuitive messages, we have gotten so much things has happened. I feel like we have a party here. I feel like there's a lot of people. I feel there's two people talking. The rainbow appeared again. Something about rainbow. Huh. I don't want to say dance. Ballad. My stomach's made a dance and ballad. Make the most of it. Don't fear it. Yeah. I think this is going to be everything for this video. People are fading away again or leaving, so yes. Someone said hold on to... Oh, well, I'm unsure if it was hold on to that ring. If that is for someone. 1616, is it linked together with a relationship maybe? Hold on to that ring. Is it someone's husband? Who passed over? Or ex or girl, boyfriend? She never liked that. She never liked it. There's something about someone, well, it's, I don't know. Because I heard something about she never liked that. Something that was said. I don't know if it's like the wife or the husband or the boyfriend. Maybe that's it, like because never got married, or the term of something. I don't know what that meant, but the person is gone again. It felt like a younger person. Well, younger is, you know, 30s, 40s maybe. Well, I feel that it's quite enough for me to sign off now. But thank you guys so much for being a part of this lesson and channeling session. Yeah, that was very, I like that. Let's do that soon again. But again, if you guys are in need of a private reading, healing session, or removal of blocks, all information is down below. Thank you guys so much for being a part of my channel. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Aww. Are you sleepy today, Mule? People want to say hey to you, Mooney. What do you have to say to people? What do you have to say to people? That she loves you all so much. Yes. What is that? Are you sneezing? Well, it has been cold outside. This is so adorable. Mooney, you are exposing your tum-tum. Hi. Hi. Hi, Mooney. Look at this baby. I think that I need to stop feeding her so much because it's getting a little like... No, you're perfect, Mooney. What have you done? You have something strange in your fur. Oh my god, you're tired. Well, this is you guys' doses of Moon Moon. Daily doses of Moon Moon. Of Sif. Sif! Sif! Moon Moon! It's just... Leave me be, human. Bye, Moon Moon. Oh, you wanna play?